Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today I'm here with my iPhone XS Max and my iPhone XR, and some things I've noticed since trying out the iPhone XR is that it seems a little bit faster opening applications and just overall responsiveness of the UI and scrolling through different applications. So today we're going to test that theory and see if in fact the iPhone XR is faster than the iPhone XS Max. Now they do have the same processor. The iPhone XS Max has a little more RAM. The iPhone XR has 3 gigabytes of RAM. This being an OLED panel has more pixels. This being an LCD panel has fewer pixels. So the processor is having to drive more pixels on the iPhone XS Max, which I think is slowing it down just a little bit. But we're going to test that theory here. I have no apps opened, so the app switchers are completely clear. And I'm going to open the apps. I have the phone set up pretty much the same way. The iPhone XR has a few less apps on it, which shouldn't really affect anything because, like I said, they're all closed. But they're pretty much set up the same way. So I'm going to go through and open up a couple apps like Tweetbot 5 and YouTube and stuff like that, and just see overall how they respond. So we're going to open up YouTube first, and you can see here that loading screen, YouTube is up first. The only difference on this YouTube on the XS Max is the fact that the XS Max is in dark mode. Again, really, that in theory that shouldn't affect anything. So I'm not going to change that just for the test. Tweetbot 5, everything is set up the same way in this app, same account, everything like that. I'm going to go ahead and open up that one at the same time, and you can see once again the iPhone XR popped up just a little bit faster, not by much. Let's do an Apple app. We'll use the News app, and they are both loading. You can see the iPhone XR significantly faster on that one. Let me see another app that I can open. We'll do the App Store. They both start loading right about the same time. Still loading, still spinning. Like I said, these apps are completely closed, so this is a fresh start. And apparently they don't want to load. iPhone XR, we got the bottom, or the XS, we got the bottom bar right here. So the XS is the winner on that one. I don't know what the XR is over here doing, but apparently it just doesn't want to load. Alright, we will skip that one. That one may have just been something with the App Store or the internet. Let's go to settings. XR, faster by a hair, not much on that one. I'm not going to open Wallet because it has my cards in there. Let's see, we can do the eBay app. They are in different places on these two. eBay, once again, a little bit faster. So you can see overall, running different apps and stuff like that on the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XR. The iPhone XR does beat the iPhone XS Max by a little bit on pretty much all the apps. Again, I think the App Store, yeah, this one was just a glitch with the App Store. Let's close both of those again. So both the same amount of apps are still open on both of them, same apps. We're going to go back and try the App Store again. Those are right about the same time. I think the iPhone XS Max was just a hair faster on that one. But looks like overall the iPhone XS Max is a little bit slower than the XR, so the XR is a winner in terms of speed. They are both running the same software versions, 12.1.2 on both of them, just updated them, so everything like that is the same. And like I said, they both pretty much have the same apps on them. So really the difference in this is going to be the screen. If you want the OLED screen, then I would go with the XS or XS Max, or a bigger screen. If you want a colorful phone such as the product red version, you know, the iPhone XR is definitely for you, and it will be a little bit faster. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.